Are the local candidates. Isko Moreno formally filed his candidacy for Manila Mayor. The former Manila Mayor will face his ex-running mate, incumbent Mayor Honey Lacuna. In Pampanga, former Governor Ed Panlilio will run for Vice Governor. He is running with entrepreneur and religious leader Danilo Bailon. They will go head-to-head with incumbent Governor Dennis Pineda and his mother Vice Governor Lilia Pineda. Over in Cebu, Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia is seeking for a third term. She will go against former Partido Federal ng Pilipinas Secretary General for Cebu Pamela Bari IV. Meanwhile, dismissed Mayor Alice Go announced her withdrawal from Bamban mayoralty polls. She said she will focus first on clearing her name amid spy allegations and links to Pogos.
Tatakbo ko rin mayor ulit?
Your Honor, sa ngayong hindi po. Haharapin ko po muna yung mga accusations po sa akin. Linisin ko po muna yung sarili ko po. At para maging fair din po para sa mga constituents ko po na minamahal ko po.
Very good.
Napaka-importante din ng local politics.
Muntik na ma-high blood si Senator Jinggoy.
No, as I was saying, very important din ang local politics dahil yan ang mga magpuposisyon din para sa, di ba, tutulong magposisyon para sa national elections, sa presidential elections.
Low LGUs ang nagde-deliver ng votes sa national elections, di ba? Kasi if the mayor,
especially Cebu, di ba? If
the mayor is aligned with the barangay and then the sangguniang and also yung mga councilors, di ba? Then the votes can be delivered easily for their candidate na ini-endorso nila. So, yung mga it's important in politics na yung kaalyado mo ang nakapwesto sa mga LGU.
Totoo. So, parang nakita natin yesterday sa San Juan, no? Walang masyadong kakalaban kay incumbent Mayor Francis Zamora.
And Quezon City.
And Quezon City. Meron mga nag-file pero hindi ganun kalakas ang ang tsansa.
Well, the term still remains na unchallenged ang term para nagagamitin nila.
Ganun. Pero sa Manila, yan ang mga bakbakan sa Manila. Di ba yesterday, inabangan naman talaga natin that yesterday, yung last day of filing, ay doon magpa-file or maghahain ng kanyang COC. Etong si ex-Yorme, Isko Moreno.
You have Yorme, you have current mayor si Honey Lacuna, you also have Sam Versosa, Congressman Sam Versosa, and another one, yung dad ng bayan. Pero the way the numbers look, medyong si Yorme na sa
survey,
malayo.
Landslide.
Malayo ang numbers, something like 78% si Yorme.
Oo. This is based dun sa survey na nabasa natin.
And if you take a look at yung very active na yung niya, yung PR team niya. And
they're
and you can clearly see they are targeting the new generation by using an old song pero making it hip. Diba? So, nag-start na sila
relevant, hip, ganyan.
Timing was good. Diba?
Tapos yesterday, yung anak din niya, si Joaquin Dumagoso,
counselor.
Along with Mocha
Uson.
So, yan yung sa mga local politics natin yesterday na isa sa mga binantayan natin. No?